Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a candlestick chart in Microsoft Word. So how to make a candlestick chart in Microsoft Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. To analyze price movements in financial markets, such as stocks or currencies, over a period of time. Each candlestick depicts four main elements: the opening price, open, the closing price, close, the highest price, high, and the lowest price, low. How to make it? Block all data in the table. Go to the Insert menu. Drag to the right, and go to Insert Waterfall. And in the Stock section, select this one. After that, a table like this will come out. Here you can move it first and adjust the size. And in the Chart Titles section, change it to Stock List. In this section, tap, and go to the menu on the right. Here change it to red. In the Fill section, change, in color to red. And in the white block, tap, and change it to blue. In the Fill section, change, in color to blue. Here the color has appeared. High is blue and low is red. And then, to add the high and low limits, tap the graph. And tap the plus sign on the right. There are many options here, such as Table Data, Axis Title, and here select Data Error. Here you can also change the model. Go to the Chart Design menu. Here will appear several model options, adjust to your needs. The body of the candlestick shows the difference between the open and close prices, where blue indicates a higher close than the open, up, while red indicates a lower close, down. The candlestick wicks, which extend from the top or bottom of the body, depict the highest and lowest prices reached during the period. This chart facilitates market trend analysis and trading decision-making by showing price movement patterns that can indicate potential trend changes. So that's it. Tutorial how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.